Hello everyone. We Indotech Solutions have came up with a new innovation, Corona Killer, which will help you in this pandemic. We can't really stop going out of our houses because of our needs, like buying groceries, clothing and other necessities. While doing this we may get in contact with coronavirus. While coming from outside, we may carry this coronavirus to our houses, offices and many other social gatherings, which may get transferred to our beloved children, other family members, our colleagues, our friends and people as well as people we come in contact with, as we know we can't practice social distancing where we live or work. So we, Indotech, have brought this device called Corona Killer. Let us see how this Corona Killer works. First we plug it into 5 ampere socket, then we need to configure the setting according to the shape of room. After some time, the machine will generate certain ions which will disinfect the coronavirus, and all types of bacteria. Switching on a fan will improve the effect of ions. This commercial product can be used at various public places like train compartments, hospital wards and other closed public places. Our product is tested by Indian Council of Medical Research and Nadu Hospital.